Here we go. Try to back out of the... You see a helicopter flying overhead here for around 246th Street, I guess. We're now headed into neighborhoods again, delivering family packed food. Tell these people that what you need. Tell them what you need. Tell them what you need.
Well, we need batteries, we need flashlights, candles, radio to hear because they said there's another hurricane coming.
Okay, that's not true though. Don't worry about that.
And shoes for the kids. We don't have no shoes.
And something to
They're without shoes, the babies.
These kids have no shoes.
No,
for
they don't have no shoes.
Something to entertain the kids.
Some entertainment for the kids.
Go back, get a lot of candles. Your candles burn fast too, don't they?
We need a lot of things.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll be back, don't worry. We promise this time.
You know what? I don't know where I can get a mosquito repellent.
I know mosquito things because the mosquito, my baby, look, come here. Come here, look at my little baby. Cari, que le dé el teléfono.
Okay, we're going in here. She wants to show us that our baby's being eaten alive by mosquitoes.
Sleeping like this
Oh,
here.
where we're coming from, they don't have it.
Look
But
the baby how it is. The baby all full thing of mosquitoes. We don't have anything.
Oh, Jesus.
He doesn't have no shoes either.
This baby's got mosquitoes. It's hot in here.
Yeah.
He got no shoes on his feet. We need baby food, too.
All right, you know what?
Diapers.
Let's go and try to find.
Okay, we're going to go back right now and get it. We'll be right back. And wait till you see the damage in here.
Man, there could be some damage in my house.
Damage everywhere. Here we look at the kitchen. It's destroyed.
The living room here.
This is the living room over here. You see all this, the roof caved in and the walls. There is mud and bugs all over the place.
A lot of soup and stuff.
And they said they need help. They haven't seen anybody from the insurance or anything.
Yep,
There's their couch. And this is where they sleep. They have to, because look at the bedroom here. This is your bedroom here?
This is the kids' bedroom here.
How about ice? You guys have ice on that?
This is the kids' bedroom. Look at this. Totally destroyed. There's a Raggedy Ann who looks scared herself. It's totally destroyed. No place for the kids to sleep.
That's my room.
And that's Mrs. Lopez's room here. You see all the mud and debris on the table here. They need insurance. Do you know who your insurance people are?
No, we don't have insurance. We are. This is government houses.
Oh God.
This is the bathroom right here.
And this is the bathroom. This is dangerous in here. Look at this bathroom. Hole in the ceiling here.
Mike, let's go back and try for candles and stuff.
Okay. And this is
National Guard Armory.
this is where they have to sleep in the
And
kitchen.
look this room. I want you to look this room.
We're going now into another
And
room.
here's where we sleep now.
And they have to sleep here in the hallway.
This is the only best part.
This is the driest part, she said. Here's another bathroom that's been destroyed.
No roof.
It's no livable. Look up here. No roof up here.
And that's my daughter's room.
In her daughter's room, there's a fan because the roof came down. Okay.
The red light's on?
Yeah.
Good.
Okay, we'll try to...
Leave them there, never mind. Get Anna some. Get Anna some salt. Hey, don't do that.
Well, they like salt.
Ya, bebé, ya.
Gotta clean yourself. Oh, you got a lot of salt?
That's all. That's
Right? This is it. Yep.
El mosquito, dile, para mí.
Back at the family, they brought all the stuff that they wanted. The Lopez family.
Para mosquito, para mí, caridad.
baby clothes.
I had baby shoes before. Did you get them? We have some baby clothes
on here. You guys want to go through that? Baby clothes.
There's the baby who had mosquito bites all over me. Got him some cortisone, some alcohol, some Band-Aids.
You guys need candles, didn't you?
Yeah, I already got some. Mosquito. Ya él me dio ya.
Everybody's here
Para la
trying to
niña,
get
lo que
some
pasa
supplies.
es. Ya se van tanto papi, la niña mía.
You guys need candles? Candles or anything? No. No?
Mira, una toalla, tiene que ser toalla porque me dé bola.
Y'all give me away this pool.
I saw spoons in there.
Mike, what happened to baby shoes you promised?
Mark, I had baby shoes before.
You had baby shoes out there. Did you see them?
No, remember I told you I need shoes for her. Doesn't have none.
Maybe bring yourself.
Mira, no hay zapatos.
Mike, remember you promised baby shoes. I got baby bottles.
What's that?
All this? You filming all this?
What's that?
You filming all this?
Filming?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What you gonna do with it?
Gotta let the people know what's going on down here.
Oh.
Because they think that everything's okay, but they don't know.
Yeah, lights and water.
Lights
Power
and water.
Right, we got plenty of food. Y'all supplying us with plenty
Yeah,
of food.
what about ice? You need ice?
Ice. Lot of ice. Lot of ice.
A lot of ice?
Lot of ice.
We need
Stuff like that. Little money too.